In this video, I will show you how to use HubSpot for customer success. If you want to manage your customers, track their activity, and improve retention, this method will help you do everything step by step inside HubSpot. First, log into your HubSpot account and click on Contacts from the main menu. This will open your full contact database where all your leads and customers are stored. Now select any existing contact or create a new one by clicking Create Contact in the top right corner. Once you open a contact profile, you will see all customer details in one place, including emails, activity history, deals, and any support tickets linked to them. Next, start managing customer success directly from this profile. Add important notes about the customer's needs, update their lifecycle stage, and track their engagement level. You can also create tasks or reminders to follow up with them at the right time. If the customer has any issues, you can link or create a ticket directly from their profile so everything stays connected. You can also monitor their behavior and check if they are actively using your product or service. For better results, use workflows to automate follow-ups, such as sending check-in emails, renewal reminders, or feedback requests based on customer activity. By using contacts as your starting point, you can manage everything related to customer success in one simple and organized view. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.